Hey there, scientists! Are you ready to explore the fascinating world of evaporation? Let's get started. Evaporation is the process where water changes from a liquid to a gas. It happens when water gets heated up or is exposed to air. The water slowly turns into invisible water vapor and rises into the air. Think about a puddle after it rains. Over time, the water seems to disappear. But it hasn't really gone away. It's just evaporated into the air. So, how exactly does evaporation work? When water is exposed to air, the tiny water molecules on the surface start to gain energy from the heat in the air or from the sun. This extra energy makes the water molecules move faster and break free from each other. As they move faster, they rise into the air as water vapor. Let's talk about some factors that affect evaporation. First, temperature. The higher the temperature, the faster evaporation happens. That's because more heat gives the water molecules more energy to break apart and turn into vapor. That's why a hot, sunny day dries up a puddle faster than a cool, cloudy one. Next, surface area. The more surface area that is exposed to air, the faster the evaporation. For example, a shallow puddle will evaporate faster than a deep pool because more of its surface is in contact with the air. Then, there's humidity. Humidity is the amount of moisture in the air. When the air is already filled with water vapor, evaporation slows down because the air can't hold much more. That's why clothes take longer to dry on a humid day. Now let's talk about why evaporation is so important. Evaporation is a key part of the water cycle. It moves water from Earth's surface up into the atmosphere, where it eventually forms clouds and comes back down as rain. Evaporation also helps keep us cool when we sweat. As the sweat on our skin evaporates, it takes away some of our body heat, making us feel cooler. Want to see evaporation in action? Here's a simple experiment you can try. Take two identical cups and fill them with the same amount of water. Leave one cup open and cover the other. Place them both outside in the sun. After a few days, check to see which cup has less water. The open cup will have less water because the water in it was able to evaporate into the air, while the covered cup kept the water from escaping. So, the next time you're outside on a hot day and notice how your wet clothes dry in the sun, or how a puddle disappears, remember, that's evaporation at work. Thanks for watching, scientists, and keep exploring the amazing world around you. See you next time.